Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a overview of this nice small Sanrenmu knife, which was graciously donated to review from my friend, and we'll be talking about the design and also the functions. So if you are looking for a nice small everyday use knife for a good price point, then this is one of the options out there. So the current pricing of this knife is around $13. Depends on when and where you are buying it, of course. I will try to link you a link into the description if you are interested to check it out. And firstly, this could qualify as a gentleman's knife because it has no pocket clip and it is very small. It will disappear in a larger hand. And what is nice, it has a variant or a style of the axis lock, in which your traditional axis lock functions like on this large griptilian. You have your omega springs that held in place this bolt here, and when you are opening the blade, so the blade tank will engage and it will lock the blade. This one has no omega springs, it's held with a back spring. So really nice modification of the lock. It will eliminate the issues with the traditional axis lock feature, in which when the omega springs fail and break, then basically the knife is not locking. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the Sanrenmu B762. So this is a smaller knife, like I mentioned, is only 14.4 centimeters or 5.7 inches long in open position. The blade is 5.8 centimeters or 2.3 inches, made out of 8CR14 MOV steel, which is a standard Chinese steel, similar to the OS 8, sorry. And the close length is 8.5 centimeters or 3.3 inches. The blade thickness is only 2 millimeters or 0.08 inches, and the blade width is 1.9 centimeters or 0.7 inches. The handle thickness is 0.8 centimeters or 0.3 inch, and the handle width is 2.6 centimeters or 1 inch. The weight is only 82 grams or 2.9 ounces. The handle is made out of stainless steel. Also the screws, of course. I would suggest it is some kind of 440 variant to keep the cost down. Has really nice satin finished blade with your Sanrenmu logo and model number. No steel specifications is printed on the blade. Has a nice large lanyard hole, so you can utilize this knife also as a keychain knife, or put some kind of cord, paracord or leather and make your lanyard. In my opinion, the display of folding knives Sanrenmu is a little bit redundant. They could go only with Sanrenmu or not have any kind of writing on the handle and only put it on the other side like they have done in the past on a few other models. So overall, this is a really nice, small, some kind of gentleman and traditional / new hybrid, which is nice and refreshing. So if you are looking for a small knife or maybe a gift knife, this is also a nice option. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave comments down below. And as always, have a nice day. Bye.